This is RJ's Cooking. Just welcome back to RJ's Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make a fresh jerk sauce to put on your jerk chicken. And we've got 1 spring onion inside there. We've got 1 normal onion, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 mix herbs, spices, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 chilli pepper. We also have 2 strands of thyme. And we have 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 2 fresh lime, ginger, and we also have browning and vinegar and olives. So first, what we can do, we'll put all the ingredients into a mixer, because you need to put them into a mixer. So we'll put the chili inside there. Then we put the thyme, the ginger. We should have fresh ginger to put inside here. So we mix all the ingredients in one. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of mixed spices. It all goes into the mixer. I'll show you why in a minute why we're putting them in the mixer. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And we've got onions. That's 1 normal onion. Try and get it all into the container for you. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Pour that in. And we've got a touch of gravy browning. Just a touch. Then we need 4 tablespoons of olive oil. 4 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 fresh lemon. And what we do is squeeze the lemon inside, all the juice. Take all the juice and you squeeze the lemons inside. What you can do before is squeeze the lemons before into a cup. I'll squeeze all the juice out of the lemon. What we're going to do now, we're going to blend it for about 3 to 6 minutes. So put everything in the blender, shake it up. Switch the blender on. It does work. What we do with this now, we're going to pour the mixing on the chicken. So what we're going to do, we're going to cover the chicken. This is 1 kilograms of thigh chicken. I've skinned the chicken. What I'm going to do now is put the jerk seasoning on the chicken. And what you need to do really is just ensure that it just covers it. What I'm going to do today is just mix it in. You don't need all of it. I'm just going to mix it in today. But what you should do is just to make sure you rub it in with your hand. But what we do today, we're just going to make sure it's all covered up. Make sure all the chicken is covered up in the jerk sauce. And what you do after that, you just put this to marinate. Put this to marinate, or you can marinate it from half an hour to overnight. Now I'm going to put this down to marinate, and then later I'm going to show you how we cook it. Now, as I said to you before, we've marinated the jerk chicken in the jerk sauce, seasoning marinated sauce. We're going to put it in the oven now. So all you need to do now is the baking tray or baking container. Now all you need to do is put the chicken into the baking tray I have an electrical oven, so we're going to put the oven on 165 to 185, and we're going to cook it for half an hour to 45 minutes. So we're going to leave that until it's cooked, and then we're going to show you how to put the jerk sauce on top of the jerk chicken. Thank you.